How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home that we have on display here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Platinum Premier with a loft. Now, I've brought to you plenty of farmhouse tiny homes in the past, but today this is a first here at Recreational Resort Cottages with the Platinum Premier with a loft in a farmhouse style. This is why the Platinum Premier is one of the most popular floor plans, because of the versatility of styles that you can accomplish in this floor plan. It is a 15-foot wide and it is 32 feet in length, and that's including a 6-foot front porch. And it all starts here in the living area. You'll see here the 15-foot wide makes it great for fitting things like a sectional. You can put a small love seat, you can put a couple of recliners. The options are endless on your furniture placement. And as well, we've got the shiplap accent. That is a great feature to make it the farmhouse style that you're looking for. And you'll see here on the side that we've got the natural light coming in from the windows down below and the clear stories up top. And then right across from the couch, you'll see the built-in entertainment center that is wired for your TV. It's got cabinets down below. And speaking of natural light, you can see the blinds in the glass of the front door. That makes it very aesthetically pleasing and less maintenance with having to worry about blinds being messed with your dogs, with small children. Those are in there for your convenience. And then you'll see this open floor plan goes right into the kitchen. We've got right here your island that is on wheels that you can move around at your convenience. There's cabinetry on this side that's closest to me, and then right here you have the space for a small stool. So it's great for an eating area, it's great for a prep station, whatever you need it for. And we've chose to go with the white cabinets in here. We've added the white shiplap as your backsplash, and even your trim throughout the whole home is painted white. So it's very, very pleasing to the farmhouse style. We've got the stainless steel sink here, the window right above your sink, and of course the stainless steel appliances to match. This is where we do the full-size appliances here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Just because you go tiny doesn't mean you have to downsize everything. So I know if you like to eat, you got the spot to do it at here. And you guys follow me on back, and you'll see here that you got the spot for your stackable washing machine and dryer that fits so nice and neat in there. And then it comes right back into your bathroom. It's closed off by a pocket door. And then you got linen space here on your counter, and then a lot of drawers down below. And then the tile shower that is walk-in, and we went with the marble style tile here. And again, the elevated roof line that has plenty of options for plenty of people. Just because you go tiny doesn't mean you have to be a tiny person. It is for everyone, guys. I'm 6'1". You see how much space we have. We got the adjustable shower head there that goes up and down for you and adjustable all over. You got the built-in niche here in the corner for your soaps and shampoos. And then you guys follow me right in to the master bedroom. Closed off again by a pocket door. And then come in, you'll see you've got the full-size space in your master bedroom that accommodates a king-size bed. You got your windows up top. You've got your built-in dresser on this side that is going to offer all the space you need. Makes it very convenient. Again, we've got TV jacks behind this, so you can put a small TV there. And we've left this open for your convenience, so you can see that these are real wood shelves here and rods, and you can choose your choice of what you would like. We can do accordion doors, we can do barn doors. It is your option. And guys, follow me on through, and we'll take it up to the loft space. And you'll see here, again, guys, we think a lot ahead for you. You'll see right here, look at this. Why is the home all white, but the stairs are stained? Because if you go up the stairs with your big clobber knockers and you sit there and you hit those white stairs, you know in a matter of a week it's going to be dirty, it's going to be marked up. So we've already thought ahead for you, and we've stained them so beautifully so you can walk up and down them and not have to worry about that, guys. And these are the open riser stairs that we have here. Again, we have options where you can put drawers in the stairs if you would like to do that. But you guys follow me on up to the top so I can show you how the loft looks. And now we are up in the loft of the Platinum Premier. And you'll see again, when you go with the 15-foot wide, this is the reason you do it. So you have enough space up here to accommodate anything that you need. You can do a mattress, you can do 2 mattresses. I've had people put 4 full-size mattresses up here, guys. It is possible. You can do beanbag chairs, games, TVs, whatever you like. We have TV jacks on each side. We have the natural light coming in. But the great thing is about the loft is the view from being up here, guys. Just look that way and you'll see past the beautiful railing there, and look how beautiful the Platinum Premier farmhouse style is. This white opens the area so lovely. It makes it bright, it makes it airy, it makes it the next home that you need if you're looking for a farmhouse tiny home. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.